today we're going to actually make a vegan pasta, but it's with butternut squash and sauteed spinach and mushrooms. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off with just putting some pasta in the water that's already boiling. I'll show you the after, but we're going to put some, we boiled down water for the pasta. We put a little bit of salt in there, and we're going to add the, as you see, the water's already rolling. I'm just using half a box. All right, we're going to get that going. My pan's hot. I'm ready to go. I'm just going to put a little bit of thin spray in it. I cooked in this before. And we've got some mushrooms. Put mushrooms in there. Give them a couple of minutes. And then we're going to add the spinach in a few minutes. All right. Now with this, it's a puree. So I have a teaspoon of paprika. I have a teaspoon of cumin. 1 tablespoon, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Half a teaspoon of salt. And 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And we're going to put this in our puree, and we're using 1 cup of almond milk. All right, you could use soy milk, whatever you prefer. Here's my tomato sauce, tomato paste rather. Right, I'm going to do 2 of these because it's 1 teaspoon. I've got the teaspoon handy. I've measured out. We're going to put our spices. Also, we have our yeast and nutritional yeast that we're going to add. And that is half a cup of nutritional yeast. I'm going to put that in with the paprika, the salt, and the cumin. We have 2 cups of butternut squash, which I've already boiled till it's soft, and you're going to put this in the blender. I already measured this out. You might not get it all in one hit, but I'll try. Turn my mushrooms down a little bit. You hear them sizzling in the background. And then it says 1 small carrot. We're going to put that in, and we're going to blend this so we have like a paste after we add the.
The carrot is cooked or is raw?
It's cooked. The butternut squash and the carrot is cooked, and we're going to do 1 tablespoon of
apple cider vinegar.
Exactly. Right, so we're going to put this on. Now you see, oops, we have a puree, but that's going to go over our pasta. I'm going to finish sauteing the mushrooms. And they're asking for 1 teaspoon of turmeric. I'm just going to do 1 teaspoon. That's how I measure. And then I'm going to add the spinach to this. Right, mushrooms are cooking up. I'll add the spinach. Right, so while that's cooking, right, I'm going to show you how it comes out at the end. But once the pasta's done, we're going to add this pasta to this pot with the mushrooms, the spinach, and then the puree. Okay, so you have everything ready. It just all goes in one pot. This is how the pasta comes out. You see?
Oh, so pretty. A lot of color.
Yes, yeah, nice color on it. All right, and it's something a little different, and you're using vegetables for a puree instead of like oils and things like that. You know, it's something a little different. So all vegan. And if you don't want to do it vegan, you can use, you know, with these flavors, you could just add it with a pasta and not use the nutritional yeast. Just maybe use a little bit of palm cheese on the top, whatever you decide. But I kept it vegan today. The water of the week is pineapple and blueberry. Okay, so that's your water of the week. And that is it for me.